Hi, good afternoon, friends. This is Renee Daly from stampknowhow.com, and I have a cute little project for you today using the mini Curvy Keepsakes box dies. It's part of the Snowman suite in our new holiday catalog, and it's right here. It's on page 19. It sells for $34. And I saw this in the catalog and I thought it might be kind of fun just to make one. So it's pretty easy, not many supplies. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to need a piece of shimmery white cardstock that measures 5.5 by 5.5. And we're going to cut that out on the Big Shot. Put your paper down on the bottom plate. We're going to line this up so it fits on that piece of paper. This die is nice. We used to have a bigger one of these, and you needed a couple pieces of paper, but this is just a tiny little treat box. We'll run that through our die cutting machine. Don't need that anymore. This die is nice because it's already got all the fold lines for you. So all you have to do is go through and just burnish them. And I'm going to use this little, it's called the It Snow Embellishment Kit. It comes with washi tape, all these cute little snowman decorations, and lots of felt hats and scarves and things, and little snowballs. But we're going to use the embellishments today. And you want to look at this because on this one, this is the inside part. So this is the bottom of your box. So you're going to want to put your face lined up with the bottom of this score line here. So using the take your pick tool, I'm going to go in and grab one of the noses. Just going to kind of put that in the middle. And then I use the two bigger coal pieces for his eyes. And then the smaller ones are for his mouth. So this box actually requires no glue, which is really cool. But I do, like small chocolates will fit in there. Like I use the Dove chocolates, but any kind of small thing will do, and I just stick them in with the glue dot just to keep them from moving around too much. And I can fit two of them pretty easily. I just stack them on top of each other. So to make this box, all you gotta do is pull those two sides up, and this folds right in between. So same thing with this side. Fold it over top of the other one. And it locks automatically. Isn't that cool? Try cutting 12 inches or so of ribbon. Because I need a little bit to tie off for the knots at the ends. So wouldn't that be cute as like a favor for a senior breakfast around Christmas time, or maybe your kid's party at school, something like that. Pretty inexpensive to make and quick too. So hope you enjoyed today's video.